That's a good idea.
Or myself.
Oh, goodness. Be careful.
Glasses, can't see that.
Do you want me to go in the living room and get your glasses?
Perfect.
Cute.
Cool. There you go.
Okay, cool.
It's not a massive impact, is it?
No, but it's cute.
Yeah, I think it'd be better at night and with a full...
Is it even on, the lights?
Yeah.
No, you can't see it. It's not really clear, darling.
We'll meet it.
Do you think at night it'll bounce off that little shiny stuff in the back?
That's my hopings, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it'll light the holes up.
Oh, well.
Poo. What I'll do is I'll leave it for a day, let
Yes.
it charge.
Yeah.
If it doesn't work well enough,
Yes.
I will reconfigure where the lights are
Okay.
and then maybe just run them in front of the holes.
Okay, now tell me why you built this.
Because I like building.
No, come on. Go.
Because a man needs to know where to go. And with a sign like that, you know where to go.
Yes. And I've just laughed and made the camera jump up and down.
Shouldn't be too bad. All right, up the ladder. Should be a bit higher on it. So, welcome to the coffee cupboard. Very sad. Last week or so we'd lost a member of our family. He'd been with us 12 years. And we bought him second hand, and he's now moved on to the big coffee house in the sky. Yep, old faithful friend. So we had to replace, and replace we have done. And we've purchased a new espresso maker. He may be gone, but he's not forgotten. Mad. perfect pour. So I'll raise a glass to the old coffee maker and welcome the new one. Life goes on.